Hey folks, I'm Stallmaster and welcome to the Stallmaster Productions YouTube channel. Now I'm gonna have to do a tutorial video for the Rattlesnake Sound challenge. So here is the only step for that challenge. When you begin the challenge, you do the hissing sound, just like snakes do or rattlesnakes do. That's the only step. So observe. That is the Rattlesnake Sound challenge. I hope you'll do the same. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. I think. Be sure to subscribe for more content, click on the notification bell, drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you all in the next video on the Stallmaster Productions YouTube channel. I think.